Introduction prompt: write a detailed introduction about amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, Co-Amoxiclav, explaining what it is and why it is used. 2. Composition prompt: describe the composition of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, including the role of amoxicillin and the role of clavulanic acid. 3. Mechanism of action prompt: explain the mechanism of action of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, including how amoxicillin works and how clavulanic acid supports it. 4. Spectrum of activity prompt: write about the spectrum of activity of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, mentioning which bacteria it covers and which it does not. 5. Indications prompt: describe the clinical indications and uses of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid in detail. 6. Dosage forms prompt: write a paragraph describing the pharmaceutical dosage forms available for amoxicillin, clavulanic acid. 7. Adult dosage prompt: explain the adult dosage recommendations for amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, including oral and 4 dosing. 8. Pediatric dosage prompt: describe the pediatric dosing guidelines for amoxicillin, clavulanic acid. 9. Side effects prompt: write a detailed paragraph about the common and serious side effects of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid. 10. Contraindications prompt: describe the contraindications of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid and situations where it should be avoided. 11. Precautions prompt: write about the important precautions and safety considerations when using amoxicillin, clavulanic acid. 12. Drug interactions prompt: explain the major drug interactions associated with amoxicillin, clavulanic acid. 13. Storage prompt: describe the recommended storage conditions for amoxicillin, clavulanic acid tablets and suspension. 14. Summary prompt: write a concise summary of amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, including its importance and key clinical features.